Afghan English Academy.
Peter, my love. Thank God you came. I need your support.
Peter, my love, Peter زما مینې. Thank God you came. شکر الله چې ته راغلې. I need your support. زه ستا ملاتړ ته ضرورت لرم. Support ویل کېږي ملاتړ ته.
That goon destroyed my life. Nobody loves me. People hate me.
That goon destroyed my life. هغه خوني زما ژوند تباه کړ. ګون ویل کېږي ملګرو خوني ته ګونډې ته ګونډه خوني او destroy ویل کېږي تباه کولو ته. Nobody loves me. هیڅوک مې له ما سره مینه نه کوي. People hate me. خلک له ما څخه نفرت کوي.
I know everything. That goon raped you. I have lost my senses.
I know everything. زه په هر څه باندې پوهیږم. That goon raped you. هغه خوني له تا سره په زوره زنا وکړه. ریپ ویل کېږي ملګرو له یو چا سره په زوره زنا کول. I have lost my senses. ما خپل حساسات له لاسه ورکړي دي.
The whole neighborhood knows about you. You have let me down.
That whole neighborhood knows about you. هغه ټول ګاونډ چې دا ستا باره کې پوهیږي. neighborhood ویل کېږي ګاونډ ته. You have let me down. تا خو زه کته کړم. یعنې د خلکو په نظر کې تا زه کته کړم.
I don't care about people. Care about us. We love each other.
I don't care about people. زه د خلکو پروا نه کوم. I care about او زه د خپل ځان باره کې مطلب موږ د خپل ځان باره کې هغه کوو پروا کوو. We love each other. موږ یو له بل سره مینه کوو.
We will marry soon. I need your support, Peter. I want justice.
We will marry soon. موږ به ډېر زر واده وکړو. I need your support, Peter. زه ستا ملاتړ ته ضرورت لرم پیټره. I want justice. زه انصاف غواړم. Justice ویل کېږي انصاف ته.
Not at all. I cannot marry you, Eliza.
Not at all. بالکل نه. I cannot marry you, Eliza. زه نشم کولی چې له تا سره واده وکړم Eliza.
Are you kidding me? Please don't say like this. We love each other.
Are you kidding me? آیا ته له ما سره ګپ لګوې؟ Kidding ویل کېږي ګپ لګول. Please don't say like this. مهرباني وکړه داسې مه وایه. We love each other. موږ یو له بل سره مینه کوو.
Listen to me carefully. I don't want to marry you.
Listen to me carefully. ما ته په صحیح ډول سره غوږ ونیسه. I don't want to marry you. زه نه غواړم چې له تا سره واده وکړم.
I don't want to lose my respect. Please don't call me again.
I don't want to lose my respect. زه نه غواړم چې خپل عزت له لاسه ورکړم. Respect ویل کېږي عزت کول. Please don't call me again. مهرباني وکړه ما دوباره غږ ونه کې.
You have also changed. I was not expecting this from you.
You have also changed. ته هم بدل شوی یې. I was not expecting this from you. ما له تا څخه د دې تمه نه کوله. Expect ویل کېږي تمه کول.
You were my only hope. Why, Peter, why? What was my fault?
You were my only hope. ته زما یوازینی امید وې. Hope ویل کېږي امید ته. Why, Peter, why? ولې پیټر ولې؟ What was my fault? زما غلطي څه وه؟ Fault ویل کېږي غلطي ته.
Enough is enough. It is not my fault as well. Do you hear me?
Enough is enough. بس دی نور بس دی. It is not my fault as well. دا زما هم غلطي نه وه. Do you hear me? آیا ته ما اورې؟
Nobody will marry you. It is all your fault. You should marry that goon.
Nobody will marry you. هیڅوک هم له تا سره واده ونه کړي. It is all your fault. دا ټوله ستا غلطي ده. You should marry that goon. ته باید له هغه خوني سره واده وکړې.
Enough is enough, Peter. How dare you?
Enough is enough. Peter, بس دی نور بس دی پیټره. How dare you? ستا جرأت څنګه وسو؟ Dare ویل کېږي جرأت ته.
How dare you, Peter? You are a cunning person as well.
How dare you, Peter? ستا جرأت څنګه وسو پیټره. You are a cunning person as well. ته یو چالاکه شخص هم یې. cunning ویل کېږي چالاکه.
I don't need you in my life. You are a selfish person.
I don't need you in my life. زه تا ته په خپل ژوند کې ضرورت نه لرم. You are a selfish person. ته یو خودغرضه شخص یې. selfish ویل کېږي خودغرضه چې د خپل ځان باره کې فکر کوي.
Thank God I saw your real face. Get out of my house.
Thank God شکر الله I saw your real face چې ما ستا حقیقي مخ ولیده. Get out of my house زما له کور څخه ووځه.
I don't want to see your face. You will regret one day.
I don't want to see your face. زه نه غواړم چې ستا مخ ووینم. You will regret one day. ته به یوه ورځ پښیمانه کېږې. regret ویل کېږي پښیمانه کېدل.
I will not regret it. I will not meet you again.
I will not regret it. زه به پښیمانه نه شم. I will not meet you again. زه به له تا سره دوباره ملاقات ونه کړم.
Mom, Peter has changed. He thinks it was my fault.
Mom مورې Peter has changed. Peter بدل شوی ده. He thinks it was my fault. هغه دا فکر کوي چې دا زما غلطي وه.
Don't cry, my daughter. It is the real world. People are selfish.
Don't cry my daughter. ژاړه ما زما لورې. It is the real world. دا حقیقي دنیا ده. People are selfish. خلق خودغرضه دي.
I don't want to live, Mom. My life is over. Please forgive me.
I don't want to live, Mom. زه نه غواړم چې ژوند وکړم مور یعنې واوسېږم مورې. My life is over. زما ژوند ختم دی. Please forgive me. مهرباني وکړه ما معاف کړه. Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کولو ته.
My legs are shaking, Eliza. I cannot live without you.
My legs are shaking, Eliza. زما پښې لړزېږي Eliza. Shaking ویل کېږي لړزېدل. I cannot live without you. زه ستا نه بغیر نشم اوسېدلی.
Please don't do this. I love you a lot. This is not the right thing.
Please don't do this. مهرباني وکړه داسې مه کوه. I love you a lot. زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم. This is not the right thing. دا صحیح کار نه دی.
I love you too. Nobody will marry me. People think it is my fault.
I love you too. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم. Nobody will marry me. هیڅوک به له ما سره واده ونه کړي. People think خلک دا فکر کوي it is my fault چې دا زما غلطي ده.
You are a wise girl, Eliza. Don't think about people.
You are a wise girl, Eliza. ته یوه هوښیاره جنۍ یې Eliza. wise ویل کېږي هوښیار ته. Don't think about people. د خلکو باره کې فکر مه کوه.
You have to think about yourself. You have to move on.
You have to think about yourself. ته باید د خپل ځان باره کې فکر وکړې. You have to move on. ته باید مخکې لاړه شي.
God will help you. You need to believe in God. I will help you.
God will help you. الله به ستا کومک وکړي. You need to believe in God. ته باید په الله باندې یقین وکړې. Believe ویل کېږي یقین کول ته. I will help you. زه به ستا کومک وکړم.
Please, Eliza, come down. I don't want to lose you, my sweet.
Please, Eliza, come down. مهرباني وکړه Eliza ښکته شه. I don't want to lose you, my sweetie. زه نه غواړم چې تا له لاسه ورکړمه زما خوږې.
I want justice, Mom. I will not forget that goon. Who will help me?
I want justice, Mom. زه انصاف غواړم مورې. I will not forget that goon. زه به هغه خوني معاف نه کړم. Who will help me? څوک به زما کومک وکړي؟
I will help you. We will go to the police station. I promise you.
I will help you. زه به ستا کومک وکړم. We will go to the police station. موږ به police station ته لاړ شو. I promise you. زه تا سره وعده کوم. Promise ویل کېږي وعده کوم.
Really, Mom? Are you telling the truth?
Really, Mom? رښتیا وایې مورې. Are you telling the truth? آیا ته ماته رښتیا وایې؟ Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته.
Yes, Eliza. You are a brave girl. Our love is strong. I am with you.
Yes, Eliza. Who, Eliza? You are a brave girl. ته یوه زړوره جنۍ یې. Brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. Our love is strong. زموږ مینه قوي ده. I am with you. زه له تا سره یم.
With you.
Thanks, Mom. Let's go to the police station. I will not forgive that.
Thank you mom. مننه مورې. Let's go to the police station. راځه چې police station ته لاړ شو. I will not forgive that goon. زه به هغه خوني معاف نه کړم.
Goon.
Sure, sweetie. I will always help you. Let's
Sure sweetie. یقینا خوږې. I will always help you. زه به همیشه ستا کومک کوم. Always ویل کېږي همیشه. Let's go. راځه چې لاړ شو.
go.
What? I am so sorry to hear that. I will arrest that goon.
What sir? I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډېر خفه شوم یا ډېر بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېده. I will arrest that goon. زه به هغه خوني په حراست کې ونیسم.
Why did you bail him, officer? He destroyed my life.
Why did you bail him, officer? تا ولې هغه خوشې کړ افیسره؟ He destroyed my life. هغه زما ژوند تباه کړ.
I went to the hospital. I met that man who was stabbed.
I went to the hospital. زه هسپتال ته لاړم. I met that man. ما ملاقات وکړ له هغه سړي سره who was stabbed په چا چې حمله شوې وه. برید ورباندې شوی و. Stab ویل کېږي برید کول، حمله کول.
He did not say anything about that goon.
He did not say anything about that goon. هغه د هغه خوني باره کې هیڅ هم ونه ویلې.
What? This is not true. That goon stabbed him. I saw everything.
What sir? This is not true. دا رښتیا نه دی. That goon stabbed him. هغه خوني په هغه باندې حمله وکړه، برید ورباندې وکړ. I saw everything. ما هر څه ولیدل.
But that man did not say anything about that goon.
But that man did not say anything about that goon. لیکن هغه سړي د هغه خوني باره کې هیڅ هم ونه ویلې.
You don't worry. I will arrest that goon soon.
You don't worry. ته پریشانه کېږه مه. I will arrest that goon soon. زه به هغه خوني ډېر زر په حراست کې ونیسم.
Thank you, officer. I just want revenge.
Thank you officer. مننه افیسره. I just want revenge. زه یوازې بدله غواړم. Revenge ویل کېږي بدلې ته.
But I think we should leave this city for a few days.
Boss مشره. I think زما په فکر we should leave. موږ باید پرېږدو this city دغه ښار for a few days د یو څو ورځو لپاره.
Don't be alarmed, my buddy. Nothing is going to happen.
Don't be alarmed my buddy. دې مطلب دا د ملګرو چې ویریږه مه له خطرې څخه ویریږه مه یعنې د خطرې څخه ډارېږه مه زما ملګریه. څه دی؟ بډې ویل کېږي خوږ ملګري ته. Nothing is going to happen. هیڅ به هم واقع نه شي.
I am a strong goon. You know me very well.
I am a strong goon. زه یو قوي خوني یم، ګونډه یم. You know me very well. ته ما ښه پېژنې.
Police will find us soon. What will you do then?
Police will find us soon. پولیس به موږ ډېر زر پیدا کړي. What will you do then? بیا به ته څه کوې؟
Police cannot harm me. Everything is under control.
Police cannot harm me. پولیس نشي کولی چې ماته زیان ورسوي. Everything is under control. هر څه په کنټرول کې دي.
But that officer is coming here. What should I do now?
Boss مشره. That officer is coming here. هغه افیسر دلته را روان دی. What should I do now? زه باید څه وکړم؟
Now. You have to run now. You know my plan.
You have to run now. ته باید اوس منډه ووهې. You know my plan. ته زما په پلان باندې پوهېږې. زما په هدف باندې ته پوهېږې.
You have to burn his shop. Go and hide yourself. Go away.
You have to burn his shop. ته باید د هغه دکان وسوځوې. burn ویل کېږي سوځول. Go and hide yourself. لاړ شه او ځان دې پټ که. Go away. لاړ شه ځه.
Don't move. You are under arrest.
Don't move. حرکت ونه کې. You are under arrest. ته په حراست کې یې.
But why? I am innocent. I did not do anything.
But why? لیکن ولې؟ I am innocent. زه معصوم یم. بې ګناه یم. Innocent ویل کېږي بې ګناه ته. I did not do anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي.
Keep your mouth shut. You destroyed Eliza's life.
keep your mouth shut خو د بنده وساته you destroyed Eliza's life تا د الیزا ژوند تباه کړ
He is going to close this shop. I have to burn.
he is going to close this shop هغه دغه دکان بندوي I have to burn it now زه باید دغه وسوځوم اوس
Burn it now. I have to save my boss. Eliza cannot do anything.
I have to say save my boss زه باید خپل مشر بچ کما الیزا cannot do anything الیزا هیڅ هم نشي کولای
Oh no. How did this happen? Somebody
Oh no, oh no, how did this happen? دا څنګه واقع شو Somebody help me یو څوک زما کومک وکړي
help me. My shop is burning. Oh God, help me. Who did
My shop is burning زما دکان سوځیږي Oh God help me یا الله زما کومک وکړي Who did this دا چا وکړ
this? I cannot stand it. What should I do
I cannot stand it زه دا نشم برداشت کولای What should I do now زه باید اوس څه وکړم
now?
Yes, officer. Have you caught that
Yes officer هو افسره Have you caught that goon آیا تا هغه خوني نیولی دی
goon?
Yes, I have arrested him. He is in a lockup
Yes هو I have arrested him ما هغه نیولی دی په حراست کې He is in a lockup right now هغه اوس په جیل کې ده
right now.
Really? I am so glad to hear that. I am coming
Really په حقیقت سره I am so glad to hear that زه ډیره خوشحاله شم چې دا مې واورېده I am coming soon زه ډیر زر درځم
soon. Mom, that goon is in a lockup. Let's go to the police.
مورې that goon is in a lockup هغه خوني په لوکپ کې ده Let's go to the police station راځه چې police station ته لاړ شو
Station.
I am so glad to hear that.
I am so glad to hear that زه ډیر خوشحاله یم چې دا مې واورېده I am with you Eliza زه له تا سره یم Eliza
With you, Eliza.
Dad, what are you doing here? Is everything
Dad پلاره what are you doing here ته دلته څه کوې Is everything okay آیا هر څه ټیک دي
okay?
Someone burned my shop. Everything
Someone burned my shop یو چا زما دکان وسوځاوه Everything has burned هر څه سوځېدلی دي
has burned.
What? Who did this? I cannot
What sir who did this دا چا وکړ I cannot believe it زه یقین نشم کولای
believe it.
Don't worry, sir. I will find that person. You need to
Don't worry sir پریشانه کېږه مه ښاغلیه I will find that person زه به هغه شخص پیدا کړمه You need to calm down ته باید آرامه شي
calm down.
What are you doing here, Eliza?
What are you doing here Eliza ته دلته څه کوې Eliza What happened څه واقع شول
What happened?
This officer caught that goon. He is in a
This officer cut that goon دغه officer هغه خوني نیولی دی He is in a lockup هغه په لوکپ کې ده
lockup.
Please, Olivia, forgive me.
Please Olivia forgive me مهرباني وکړه Olivia ما معاف کړه I am regretting now زه اوس پښماني کوم
I am regretting now.
Keep your mouth shut. I will never
Keep your mouth shut خو دې بنده وساته I will never forgive you زه به تا هیڅکله هم معاف نه کړم
forgive you. You destroyed my life. You will stay here for a
You destroyed my life تا زما ژوند تباه کړ You will stay here for a long time ته به دلته د ډیر وخت لپاره پاتې کېږي
long time.
No. Please don't do this to me.
No نه please don't do this to me مهرباني وکړه داسې د ما سره مه کوه I beg you زه تاته سوال کوم
I beg you.
You destroyed my daughter's life. My shop
You destroyed my daughter's life تا زما د لور ژوند تباه کړی My shop has burned زما دکان سوځېدلی دی
is burned.
What? I am so sorry to hear that.
What sir, I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډیره بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېده. I can fix it. زه کولی شم چې دا جوړ کړم.
I can fix it.
What do you mean?
What do you mean ستاسو مطلب دی؟ What are you trying to say؟ ته څه کوشش کوې چې ووایې؟
What are you trying to say?
I will give you money. You can start your own
I will give you money. زه به تا ته روپۍ درکمه. You can start your own business again. ته کولی شې چې خپل کاروبار بیرته شروع کړې.
business again.
What?
What sir, are you serious؟ آیا ته جدي یې؟
You serious?
No way. We don't need
No way. هیڅکله هم نه. We don't need anything from you. موږ هیڅ شي ته ضرورت نه لرو ستا له طرف نه.
anything from you.
I want to help you, Eliza. I will marry you.
I want to help you, Eliza. زه غواړم چې ستا کومک وکړم Eliza. I will marry you. زه به له تا سره واده کوم. I want to protect you. زه غواړم چې تا وساتم.
I want to protect you.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video.